Hi, just two simple questions. Answer honestly. First, do you have a goal? Second, if so, what is it? If you don't have a goal, that's already a problem, but I'll explain what to do. If you do have a clear goal, whether it's to get rewards, buying a car, paying off debt, or turning things around, listen carefully. There won't be any empty words or forced sales here, just a real working path to get you where you want to be. My name is Evelyn Morgan. I'm a trader with 9 years of experience, and if you follow financial news, you might have seen me on CNN or Breaking News, where I regularly analyze the financial markets. And maybe you've heard about my trading community, one of the fastest growing in the industry, where over 21,000 people use my strategies daily. Today I want to give you a clear step-by-step plan. No theory, no complicated terms, just concrete actions you can replicate. I'll break down a strategy I've refined over the years. One that's not hard to follow even if you've never placed a single trade before. The only question is, are you ready? If so, watch this video until the end, because right now you have the chance to start your journey to financial independence and do it fast. Let's go! Before we begin, I have an important announcement you need to hear. If you've never tried trading because you think it's too complicated, forget about that. Everything you need is already inside my trading community on Telegram. What is it? 3 years ago, I created this community, and today it has become a complete ecosystem, a real accelerator toward financial independence. How does it work? I trade live, and members simply copy my trades. No complicated charts, no useless theory, just clear, actionable steps that bring real results. And most importantly, you're not alone. My Telegram channel has over 21,000 members, all of whom started from scratch. This isn't just a group, it's a real support. I break down trades, explain entry points, answer questions, everything you need to feel confident and know exactly what to do next. People who just yesterday didn't even know what trading was are already seeing real results. Here are just a few of their testimonials, and you can be next. And now look at this dashboard. What do you think? This is how our trading day went yesterday. Just imagine how great it feels to be part of this and achieve these results. Now, what about you? Right now, you can join for free. Just click the link in the description or in the pinned comment below this video and subscribe to my Telegram community. Stop just watching others turn things around. It's time to do something for yourself. I'll see you in Telegram. Let's start right now. All right, let's move on to the strategy. I've already set the trade duration to 1 minute. The candlestick time frame will be 30 seconds. We are starting with just 5 to see how far we can go. Adding 6 pairs. And of course, we can't forget about indicators. In today's session, I'll show you how to effectively use two powerful indicators, moving average and RSI. We'll configure them to become our perfect allies in the world of trading. Alright, everything's set. Friends, this strategy is a great way to get familiar with the basics of trading and start making smarter market decisions. Get comfortable and get ready for an exciting ride. Let's go! We are starting with an Australian and a New Zealander. Let's analyze what's happening on the chart. We see that the price has been moving up for a while. This is called an uptrend. But now there is a small pullback. The price has dropped a bit, which is natural correction after a rise. The main question, will this correction end, and will the trend continue upward? Here's what we focus on. First, let's talk about the moving average indicator. This is a line that shows the average price over a specific period. Right now, the price has reached this level, which is a crucial moment. If the trend is strong, the price usually bounces off this line and continues moving upward. The RSI indicator measures the strength of buyers and sellers. At this moment, it is at the level 50, meaning the forces are nearly equal. However, if RSI starts bouncing upward, it indicates that buyers are regaining control. What's my decision? Since the trend remains upward and the price is at a key level, there is a high probability that it will reverse back up. That's why I'm going up. Perfect. Remember, the market always gives us signals, and if you read them correctly, you can spot great entry points. Let's move on. Let's switch. Now, let's check the chart. We see that the price has been declining, but at some point the drop stopped. And now the price is moving sideways. It's not going up or down. This is called a consolidation phase. It often means that the market is gathering strength before making its next move. What should we focus on? Candlesticks. There are long candlesticks with wicks at the bottom. This is an important sign. Buyers are starting to push back, and the moving average indicator signals a continuation of the uptrend. Also, let's not forget about the RSI indicator. It breaks above the 50 level, which further confirms the upward movement. I'm going up. When you analyze the market correctly, the entries become obvious. That's how strong trades work. Not random guesses, but well-calculated moves. Let's keep going. Looking at the next pair, RSI has reached the overbought zone and is starting to decline. That's the first sign that buyers are losing strength and the correction might be coming. Checking the moving average again. The price hit the moving average but couldn't break above it, meaning buyers don't have enough strength to push higher. This is often a sign that a breakout downward is about to happen. Going down. That's why it's so important to watch the overbought and oversold zones. They often give us key indicators. If you catch them at the right time, you can enter confidently. Let's keep moving. Back to an Australian and a Canadian. The situation is once again in our favor. I'm using the same setup that worked well in the first trade. The price has returned to the moving average. We've seen this before. Last time the price bounced up from this level, and now we see the same pattern forming again. RSI confirms the entry. It bounced off the 50 level, meaning the balance is shifting back towards buyers and they're ready to push the market higher. I'm going up with confidence. When the market repeats the same pattern, why not take advantage? If you understand the trends, you can keep finding beneficial opportunities over and over. Not a bad start. What do you think? Before we continue, let me ask you something. Have you joined my Telegram community yet? If not, then why are you even here? I'm literally giving you a proven method that can help you go to the next level. Be honest. If everything were perfect in your life, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. I can be your mentor, but I can't make this decision for you. I have strategies, books, and courses, all of which could be available to you for free right now. I'm hosting live trading sessions every day, but only members of my trading community can join them. A community that in 3 years has become like a family to me. Just imagine being surrounded by thousands of people working toward the same goal and achieving real results. There is no way you won't experience a transformation here. So tell me, why haven't you joined us yet? Click the link in the description and join our community right now. There is no more time to explain. Access may close soon. This is your chance. Take it. Once again, we have an Australian and a New Zealander. What do we see here? The RSI was recently in the overbought zone, but now it's confidently moving downward. This indicates that buyers are losing strength. On the chart, we see a bearish engulfing pattern, which often signals a trend reversal. Another factor is that the price isn't just bouncing off, but is actually trying to break below the moving average indicator. This gives us confidence that the downward movement will continue, going down. When you see a pattern plus confirmation from indicators, there should be no doubts. And now we are already at 117, and this is just the warm-up. Let's pick up the pace. On the chart, we clearly see an uptrend. The price is bouncing off the moving average, and RSI is confidently breaking above 50. This one is simple, the trend is strong, the pullback is over, we're going up. Sometimes the simplest trades turn out to be the most rewarding. Here we see a divergence on RSI. The price is making new highs, but the indicator itself isn't rising, staying at the same level. This tells us that buying pressure is fading, and the uptrend might be coming to an end. We also see consolidation. The price is no longer moving up as aggressively. After breaking the moving average, I'm also going down. And now we are already at 430. I hope you remember where we started. Let's check on an Australian and an American. The price is following the classic pattern. Impulse, correction, impulse. Right now, we're in a correction phase, but the market is slowing down near a resistance level. The price touched the moving average and bounced downward, while RSI is also retesting 50. If it fails to break above this level, the downtrend will continue. I'm expecting a new downward impulse and a break of the moving average, so I'm going down. We are making spot-on decisions here. Let's take a couple more trades, and remember, in our business, don't let greed take over. If you start feeling tired, it's always better to stop. Switch pairs and analyzing the chart carefully. After an uptrend, the price is reversing. We see a trend break and a return to a key level. Right now, it's in retest mode, followed by a downward bounce. A perfect entry point. I don't even know. Is there anything left to explain? I think you can see everything for yourself. We are already at 1,584. Let's wrap it up with one last trade. We'll finish with this pair. The price is range bound, but there is a clear support level where buyers consistently step in. The trend is still bullish, and it's obvious that sellers can't push the price lower. After the breakout above the moving average and a successful retest, I'm going up. This is the perfect way to end the session. 3,041. How is that for a result? Satisfied? I think this strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. I have many more strategies in my arsenal tailored to different market conditions, timeframes, and risk levels. Now, you understand that trading is all about having the right strategies, and they don't have to be complicated. On the contrary, they can be incredibly simple. I never deviate from my trading plan and follow all my strategies with precision. Everything you just saw can be yours too. You can join my live trading sessions, which I host twice a day. Before this video disappears from YouTube, just click the link to join my Telegram community and subscribe. And remember, success comes only to those who make quick decisions and fully commit to following their mentors. Also, it's important to note, trading involves risks and there are no guaranteed rewards. The knowledge you gain will help you on this journey, and of course, I'll be there to guide you. That's all from me. See you soon.